Hello guys, ito pong karugtong ng ating play to earn MU. Keep it watching and don't forget to click the notification bell and subscribe my video para makasunod kayo sa ibang video ko. Keep it watching.
I'm not blind. I'm just silent most of the time. I just let you play your stupid mind games. I know your next move. I love it when you believe you are the best. When you think you're better than me. You have no idea who I am and what I am capable of.
Tapos yung sword naman na symbol, target attack, pwedeng players ang atakihin mo at monster. At ito naman sa ibaba, force attack, yung lahat pwede mo atakihin. Pwede, ito ba yung tinatawag na 1 by 1 or all for 1? Okay, dito tayo sa monster kasi hindi tayo umatake ng player ngayon. Pero limit lang yung inatake na player ngayon. Itong laro na to kasi rule nila 3 players lang yata yan. Ito yung mga excellent na mga nakuha ko. Ito, yan, yung armor ko. Pwede rin magbenta dito dahil sa ibaba may tuwan. Ito yung mga binta ko, pero Zen lang yan, hindi yan through Gcash. Kung gusto nyo magkapira dito close ko muna to. Dito click mo ito, tapos chat ka dito, slash push. Actually Black Dragon yung ginagamit ko, binibenta ko. S put is meaning is sell. Yan. Tapos Black Dragon,